Hello everyone. Just a reminder that CERN is going to come back online full powered in 2015, and it takes them about 6 months to wake it up and test everything for in order to start their full-on testing. And it's going to be, see, they have a methodical restart, having upgraded the LHC Large Hadron Collider, which involved consolidating 10,000 superconducting magnet interconnections. This is going to be a powerful machine. So we don't know what's going to happen in 2015. It seems like it's going to be a really crazy year. But I have something else to in this particular video. Anyway, look right here. From early 2015, the beam will be back at the LHC, and the physics program will restart at the Large Hadron Collider's 4 experiment will start, okay, at their 4 experiments. The machine is coming out of a long sleep after undergoing important surgical operation. CERN's main objective for next year is to run the LHC at 13 TeV. I don't know what that means. I haven't looked it up yet. A level that is hoped will enable deeper studies of the Higgs boson and the hunt for supersymmetric particles. Okay, who knows what that will unleash. And I want to show you these logos for CERN. So these logos are, let's do it like this. You could say that this is an 8 because it does look a bit like an 8 upside down. Anyway, it could be a 6. Anyway, you know, people who are into the 8 thing. Here's another one. Oops, don't want to do that. Interesting, isn't it? This could be an 8. Let's turn that. There you go. 8. Here's a bunch of 8s. Flip that. What else? But it's for their 60-year anniversary, you know. Just thinking out loud about it. Okay, something else I want to show you in regards to these different science things, which, you know, I think everybody knows about quantum physics and how interesting that is, and how when you think about something, it could affect the world outside of you, the reality material world, when you think about something. And anyway, there is let me see if I can get to that, what I was just looking at. Alright, the paradoxical pigeons are the latest quantum conundrum. So this is a really fascinating article about what's there and what isn't there, and how is it there and how is it not there. And it's about quantum entanglement. And you know, it's I don't know, I don't understand it. I read about it, but oh no, look, the quantum Cheshire cat spotted in Grenoble. Physicists reveal a quantum Cheshire cat, a quantum renaissance. The cat that never dies, that's Schrodinger's cat. You know, that's the idea that a cat is in the box and the cat could be dead or it could be alive. You don't know until you look inside. And it exists equally at the same time. Alright, Schrodinger's cat, whereby a cat being both dead and alive at the same time illustrates the fact that a particle can exist simultaneously in two quantum states. And what's really fascinating about this is Einstein called it spooky action. This unsettling conclusion that Einstein to call entanglement spooky action at a distance. So you can read more about entanglement because scientists are actually using entanglement in the real world. So scientists are using these ideas, like with the pigeons and with the cats in the box, to explain quantum physics and how particles behave. You know, waves, they become waves. They're waves when we're not looking at them, but then they're particles when we are looking at them. Some very crazy stuff like that. So, you know, it's the idea that you can't measure anything under a microscope because by the act of observation, that disturbs the measuring process. So how can we know anything? This is a really rough idea here, what I'm talking about, because I'm not into math. I don't know anything about math, but I know I think. And we experience a lot of things in this world by interacting with it mentally. What else is there? Our consciousness. That's it. So just want to let you know that China is releasing or putting up a satellite into space that uses quantum entanglement. So I guess I need some scientists on here to explain how this will work. Look, the race to bring quantum teleportation to your world. This is in Wired 2012. The quantum teleportation race goes into space 2016, so they're going to put that up there in 2016. That is very near. Okay, and China plans on launching a satellite dedicated to quantum. One tangled photon is beamed from Beijing to Vienna. Okay, physicists quantum teleport photons over 88 miles. Remember, photons are light particles, and Jesus is the light. So, and Lucifer pretends, or Lucifer is also an angel of light. So, it seems like this world is all about light, because we couldn't see a thing if there wasn't light, or if we weren't perceiving light in our dark brain. I don't understand either. But this is absolutely fascinating. Chinese physicists smash distance record for teleportation. Quantum microscope uses spooky entangled photons to see better. Well, you know what? If you listen to some scientists like David Bohm, B-O-H-M, or who are some of those other people, Max Planck, some of those guys, I can't think of all their names right now, but they don't even really understand it. But let's look at some images. That looks like the evil lightning bolt. Okay, so there's lots of ways to learn about this, but good luck. Good luck if you can. Anyway, the Creator and the Holy Spirit is real, and Jesus Christ. And the plan for this the plan for this material world that is based on light, blood, stuff like that. Station Bob. And we don't know anything, we don't know anything. People don't even know if the moon is real. And people don't even know if there is glass in the sky, or if it goes on to infinity. Have you proven any of those things to yourself? No, because we haven't been able to test it ourselves. We just believe things and we don't even know if they're true. Quantum computers and the end of security. That looks good. The end of security, because everything's going to be in a cloud and everything about each one of us will be in a cloud. Scientists don't know what gravity is either. So it's impossible for anyone to say that they know anything. And no one knows what happens when we die. D-wave. Look at this black box. That's creepy. Where did it go? I don't know. But stay calm and keep asking the Holy Spirit and to reveal to you truth. And get your heart right, because that's what we are really, heart. Spooky action at a distance, quantum entanglement. So they're actually going to launch a satellite, the Chinese, using quantum entanglement in 2016. So let's see if there's videos that you can watch. Yes, videos to learn about quantum entanglement. There's Michio Kaku. You can learn from him, even though he seems like he's on the dark side. And let's see about news. All right, something always new to learn. So take care, God bless, and have an open mind that may reveal that, we're just all in a box, and you might find cracks in the matrix and transcend to another dimension by God's will. Put your hands in God's will. Put your hand. I keep saying that. Put your life in God's hands, and God's will show you the way. And use the Bible for instruction on how to be happy. And take your vitamins. God bless. Bye for now. Especially B vitamins.